Traveling through trails in the woods is an activity enjoyed by many. However, the accessibility of these trails to people of all abilities is an area that we believe deserves more attention. The Fort River Trailhead is accessible for handicapped and other disabled people by offering clear, even ground to travel on and safety borders and railings for added safety. As Team 18, our group members Matt, Loden, Evan, Chris, and Michael are committed to helping upkeep these trails, maintaining a safe and calming environment as you travel through the trail. This includes making sure there are no obstacles in the trail and that none of the boards on the side of the trail have fallen into the middle, causing dangers of falling off the path.
Representation for people with disabilities has been a struggle throughout history across the world. There are 42 accessible trails in all of Massachusetts, adding up to just over 100 miles of trail. An estimate of the total miles of trails in all of Massachusetts is around 500 miles, making accessible trails 1/5 less common than the average hiking trail. Considering 15% of the world's population is considered disabled as of 2011, the state of Massachusetts has a good representation of hiking trails for disabled people. This emphasizes the importance of maintaining these trails to facilitate future usage and traveling of these trails.
Civic engagement is the attention and activity of people on a specific topic of public concern with the intention of improving this concern. This type of work is ultimately important for human growth and community, as certain groups of people may require attention from other groups with more resources, ability, or connections to facilitate positive change. Our team worked to maintain disabled and handicapped accessible trails for proper function and increased safety. We worked to weed out invasive plants, cut back overgrown woody growth, patch up holes in the ground, and disturbances in the trail borders. Some members of the group also helped by picking up litter noticed on the side of the trail.
The question of the importance of environmental leadership has layers because not only is environmental leadership important, but is also the foundation for creating change in this world of climate change. Working to maintain a nature trail like the one at Fort River Trailhead has given us insight into the importance of spending time outdoors and with each other, while also protecting the environment. Accessible trails like this one provide opportunity for further inspiration and awareness of the environment, its services to humans, as well as the importance of saving the planet from anthropogenic disturbances.
The physical work being done on the trail was nothing our group wasn't prepared for and couldn't handle. In fact, this type of work was said to feel grounding in nature. Although land maintenance has importance in various circumstances from residential to university to landscaping to home gardening, the importance of this civic engagement experience is felt much more profound because of the impact. The job of patching holes in the trail, weeding problematic plants, and trimming overgrowth was immediately helped to return the trail to the maintained state, ready for nature-loving people of all backgrounds.